Welcome to Trackplan, easy to use and powerful facilities and maintenance software. Trackplan saves you time, drives compliance and reduces maintenance and asset spend. Trackplan is 100% web-based and works beautifully on any device with its responsive design. It also works across time zones and in different date formats, and with Google Translate can work in any country in the world. Trackplan is very easy to use with lots of depth. Manage your jobs, planned maintenance, job requests and work orders, inspections and surveys, sites, assets, contractors, costs and budgets. The library of dashboards give an overview of your facilities and maintenance performance and highlights any problem areas. You can drill down directly from the dashboards into the jobs, assets and sites themselves. Set up your buildings in the sites area and divide them into locations and sub-locations. Set up and manage planned schedules and assets in each building. Create your assets for each site. Manage the planned maintenance of each asset. Perform inspections and tag the asset with QR codes to help control inventories. You can create reactive jobs quickly. Enter the details and set the job priority and job type. Choose a contractor to do the work and instruct them by email or text. View and manage the jobs on the filter rule job grid and also on the drag and drop calendar. You can also invite your employees and end users to send in requests for work either online or by email. You can then approve these into reactive jobs. The user can even leave feedback on the quality of work done. Trackplan's powerful planned maintenance module lets you set up recurrent maintenance schedules by site, asset and location within sites. These schedules in turn create planned jobs. The PPM module drives compliance and helps you stay in control. As your contractors and internal engineers and technicians, manage their qualifications, availability, compliance and give them a login to view and manage jobs you've sent to them. You can also manage their costs, performance and time spent on jobs. Forms can be designed as you like and issued with reactive and planned schedules, and also completed on the fly against a building or an asset. Great for inspections, surveys, risk assessments and even meter readings. Documents can be uploaded against sites, assets, jobs and contractors. Photos can be taken from anywhere in the application. Costs can be entered against jobs and compared against budgets you set up by departments or type of work. You can set up Trackplan just as you require, highly configurable and easy to use. Thank you for watching. Contact us at www.trackplanfm.com for more information.